Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to share with you recent recall based question FMG December 2020. So let's get started. First question was identify the nerve marked below. So in this diagram you can see, so option are given 4. So this is correct answer here, ulnar nerve. Next question is physiological constriction of esophagus, all are except. Option number A, arch of aorta, transesophageal junction, C, position of thyroid at the region of the diaphragm. So correct answer is position of thyroid. Next question is which muscle attachment is seen at the marked area? So you can see here, this is correct answer, iliopsoas. Next one, after breast surgery, a female presented with a deformity as shown in the giving image. Which of the following nerve is involved? So you can see this is the beginning of the scapula. So correct answer here B, long thoracic nerve. Next one, identify the marked tarsal bone in the given radiological image. So correct answer is navicular bone. Next one, identify the tendon shown below. So this is flexor carpi radialis. Next one, which type of cartilage is found in the marked structure? So this is a secondary cartilaginous joint. Next one, a patient present with everted foot and complaining of numbness over dorsal part of foot and lateral aspect of leg. Which nerve injury is suspected in the case? So correct answer is superficial peroneal nerve. Next question, paresthesia of inner aspect of arm in a patient with cervical rib. Which of the following marked structure is affected? So correct answer here A. Next one, structure marked in the image will end in. So correct answer is junction of left jugular vein and subclavian vein. Next one, patient relatives are complaining about patient death and filed a case against the doctor. Which IPC section do you think will be appropriate to punish the medical practitioner? So here correct answer is IPC 304A. Next one, active principle of image so below. So correct answer is hyoscine. You can say it's a plant of the Dhatura. So hyoscine is correct answer. Next one, a female who died within 3 years of marriage and this was the case of suspected dowry. Who should perform the inquest in the case? Is correct answer is magistrate. Next one, a death neonate was found in water. The crown heel length was found to be 25 cm. Light hairs were present on the skull with ossification center. Approximate age of fetus is correct answer is 5 months. Next one, a man was found to be agitated and shouting at the airport. Later on he fell down. On further checking, his bag was found to have enema, apparatus and laxatives. All of the following are true regarding this case except. So abdominal scan is indicated. The person is malignant. He is at high risk of poisoning. It a case of body Becker syndrome. So here except the person is malingering. Next question. A person was found dead in washes with tied arms and legs. Cyanosis of the nail, scratches over face, neck and chin. Laceration near lip was noticed. Which of the following is not the probable mode of death in the case? So here correct answer is case of a suicide. Next one, a gunshot case brought for autopsy saw an entry bound with inverted margin and surrounded by blackening and tattooing. Burning and shining of hair is not noted. What is the range of firearm weapon? So correct answer here A, near. Next one, the piece of cloth was obtained from a crime scene with some spot. On examination, yellow colored needle shaped crystal were found. Which body secretion it can be? Option number A, serum, B, semen, saliva or CSF. Correct answer here semen. Next one, which of the following produce catecholamine storm as seen with scorpion sting? So here correct answer is A, is spider. Next one, dead body of a 12-year-old child was found. Which bone would be the best of gender assessment? Correct answer is C, pelvis. Next one, a case of RTA was brought for autopsy with stiffness of neck, hand, both upper and lower limbs. What is the condition called? Is called rigor mortis. Next one, a woman tried to fake the pregnancy and delivery. After some time, she brought a baby claiming it to be her neighbor child and trying to blackmail him for getting benefit in property. Such kind of child is called as option number A, supposititious child, B, spurious, C, superfecundation, and D, superfetation. So correct answer is A. Next question, enzyme deficiency in Vogt-Guericke disease is glucose 6-phosphate. Phosphatase is correct answer. Next one, in centrifugation, LDH get deposit in the cytoplasm. Next one, patient present with drying of skin and appear as shown below. Identify the vitamin deficiency. So this is niacin. Complex IV of ETC is inhibited by cyanide. Next one, a 40-year-old man present with black pigmentation of pinna and sclera of eye. The color of urine changed to black on long standing. What is the diagnosis? Is alkaptonuria. Next one, which of the following is not a micronutrient? Option number A, zinc, B, copper, C, calcium, D, iodine. Correct answer is C, calcium. Reverse transcriptase is used in RNA amplification. Correct answer. Nitrogenous waste is excreted from the body in the form of the urea. Identify. So this is the elephantiasis. Which of nail finding in characteristic of for psoriasis vulgaris are shown in the image. So this is the subungual keratosis. Next one, a farmer presented to OPD with a swelling over the palm and so in the photo. Few months back he got injured with a thorn. And what is the presentation given below? So this is the implantation dermoid. Next one, identify the image so below. So this is the carbuncle. A truck driver with history of lesion on penis undergoing treatment presented with rashes. What is the diagnosis? So this is the secondary syphilis. Identify the image. So this is the lepromatous leprosy. Next one, a patient presented with hypopigmented rashes with satellite lesion as shown in the image given below. So this is the borderline tuberculoid leprosy. So correct answer is A. Next one, a patient who was an anticonvulsant medication presented with rashes as shown in the image. What could be the diagnosis? So this is the fixed drug eruption. Next one, which sign is shown in the given picture? So this is the Koebner phenomena. Next one, an infant presented with inspiratory stridor and the clinical picture show omega shaped epiglottis. The probable diagnosis is the laryngomalacia. Identify the image shown below. So this is the rhinophyma. What is the best management for atrophic rhinitis? Is young operation. True statement about Vera is unused to detect SNHL. Laryngeal crepitus is seen in all except is post-cricoid carcinoma. Causes of decreased bone conduction on audiogram is the cochlear pathology. The cause of nasopharyngeal carcinoma is the Epstein-Barr virus. Identify the procedure shown as, so this is the Cottle's maneuver. The following responsible for causing croup except is the pneumocystitis xerovesi. A patient present to ER after fracture of base of the skull with CSF rhinorrhea. On further investigation, the following image was obtained. What is the name of this sign? So below, this is the halo sign. The most appropriate investigation for JNA is CECT. A patient presented with bilateral neck swelling or temporoparietal neuralgia and unilateral hearing loss. The diagnosis is the NPC. Nasopharyngeal carcinoma. A child presented with a high arched palate and mouth breath and failure to thrive. The probable diagnosis is adenoid hypertrophy. A patient presented with pulsation of the tonsil. The causes is the IC aneurysms. A patient complained of frequent perianal pruritus. On microscopic examination, following image was given. Find out the most probable causative organism. So this is the Enterovirus vermicularis. Next one, a patient with a history of travel to Okiosauce lung symptom. What could be the most common causes? Is blastomycosis. Rice water stool are characteristics of cholera. Which of the following is high level disinfectant? Is the glutaraldehyde. Next one, identify the organism stained in with India ink stain. Is Cryptococcus. A pregnant woman with malaria present in front of the doctor. What could be the causative organism? Is Plasmodium falciparum. Is PRP deposition is seen is the CZD. A patient presented with coliac, abdominal pain, diarrhea and no history of fever. What could be the diagnosis? Entamoeba histolytica. A male patient presented with bloody diarrhea. On investigation of stool sample, the organism was found to be gram negative, non-motile and oxidative negative. What would be the causes? So causes will be Shigella. Which of the following microorganism is having frequent right angle and more than 90-degree angle branching? Is Mucormycosis. Next one, a 55-year-old female present with complaint of postcoital bleeding. She is mother of 6 children and has a history of early marriage. On colposcopic examination, inflamed cervix is seen which bleed on touch. What is the most probable diagnosis? So correct answer is cervical cancer. Identify the procedure being done in the image. So this is the Leopold third maneuver. Look at the image and diagnose the condition. So this is the Turner syndrome. An 8-week pregnant lady with spotting since the start of her pregnancy. On ultrasonography, gestational sac without fetal pulse. What is the probable diagnosis? Correct answer is B, threatened abortion. Next one, treatment of for abortion within 16 weeks is mifepristone plus misoprostol. Next one, a 35-year-old female working in a factory present with 8 hours after a sexual assault by a male colleague. She is at day 13 of her menstruation cycle. So what should be the emergency contraceptive of choice in her case? So correct answer is A, levonorgestrel of 1.5 mg single dose. Next one, identify the image. So this is the hydrosalpinx. Next one, a G2P1 present with history of child with Down syndrome. Now her POC, period of gestation, is 10 weeks. What is the best test to diagnose Down in this case? So amniocentesis and CVS, chorionic bly sampling. Which of the following strain of HPV is more commonly associated with cervical cancer? Is HPV16. A 25-year-old married man come to infertility clinic having azoospermia, normal size testis, FSH and testosterone level are normal. What could be the reason? Obstruction of the vas deferens. Next one, a female in the labor room head has not reached to the ischial spine with 5 cm cervical dilation in 3 hours will be considered at which stage of labor? So correct answer here A, latent phase. Image showing a contraceptive device in the ureter. The placement is best seen with the hysteroscopy. Secondary amenorrhea with history of curettage for abortion, FSH 7 IU per ml. What is the likely diagnosis? So uterine synergy. Next one, identify the image given below. So this is the dichorionic diamniotic twins. Next one, drug used for endometriosis is danazol. Next one, a patient presented with secondary amenorrhea after 5 years of her marriage, and on objective examination she was found to have retroverted uterus with some tenderness and swelling near the posterior wall of the vagina. What is the appropriate diagnosis? So correct answer here is endometriosis. Next one, woman with ovarian malignancy. What are the procedures that can be done except is radiotherapy? A 14-year-old girl presented with primary amenorrhea, complained of urinary retention, pain in the abdomen. On history taking, she explained that she has been suffering from cyclical abdominal pain for last 6 months. And on of the objective examination, following image is seen. What is the diagnosis? imperforate hymen. Next one, a 30-year nulliparous lady being married for 5 years came to infertility center for treatment. She is having secondary amenorrhea for last 45 days. Doctor had done test for her ovulation in which she is ovulatory regular and normal. And under what parameter you can confirm the ovulation has taken place is the level of the high progesterone. A 14-year-old girl presented with heavy bleeding for vagina for last 10 days. What should be done to know the cause other than the pregnancy test is coagulation test. Next one, a woman who is lactating came to OPD 6 weeks after delivery for checkup and to get advice for contraception. She still want to continue breastfeeding for her child. What is not be advised is combined OCP, oral contraceptive pills. Next one, a 32-year-old female came for regular checkup found with ovarian cyst of 6 into 6. What is the next line of management? Combined OCP and follow-up. A premigribde at 24 week of gestation come to the hospital with an appointment with a report of RBS of 126 mg per deciliter. Fasting and OGTT after 2 hours was found to be 200 mg per dl. And on performing the ultrasonography, the fetus was found to be 2.5 kg in the weight. What should be the best management for her is Reassure. Next one, what is the contraindication of the given device? So this is the copper T and contraindication is the PID. Pelvic inflammatory disease. A 40 cc fetal material was detected on ultrasonography and planned for evacuation, but the catheter goes deep into the uterus without resistance. What should be the next step is the immediate laparoscopy to be done. Next one, what is the following is true about true conjugate diameter? Correct answer is from sacral promontory to upper border of pubic symphysis. Which among the following is the most dependent part in a sitting female is the pouch of Douglas. Corneal transparency is maintained by the keratin sulfate. Next one, a tumor in the anterior pituitary causing pressure over optic chiasm will be present as is the bitemporal hemanopia. Instrument saw in the image is used for which of the following clinical condition? So is instrument used for the chalazion. 5-year-old suffering from chronic epiphoria has appeared in the clinic. What is the next step of management is the dacrocystorhinostomy. Next one, beta blocker should be avoided in the all even condition except glaucoma. Patient wearing lens since 2 years started having redness and decreased vision. What could be the cause is the bacterial corneal ulcer. Identify the image. So this is image is the retinoblastoma. A patient come to OPD with decreased vision in his left eye and opacification of cornea. On history taking, he told that he had undergo cataract surgery 6 years back. What is the next line of the management is the keratoplasty. A patient presented with anterior uveitis in OPD. Which of the following can be associated with this condition is the HLA-B27. A patient with meiosis and hydrosis and mild dropping of eyelid is presented in the clinic. What is the suspected diagnosis is the Horner syndrome. And what is the correct regarding the clinical condition as shown in the image? It causes myopia. A 15-year-old boy present to clinic with difficulty in the coordination of movement and abdominal pain. On further examination, copper deposition on a ringworm is seen in cornea. Most likely diagnosis is the Wilson disease. A 55-year-old diabetic patient had chronic renal failure and is undergoing hemodialysis. What is the associated amyloidosis? Is the beta-2 microglobulin. Next one, a person developed pruritus rashes every time on eating seafood within 1 hour. Which type of hypersensitivity is this? Is first type of hypersensitivity. A nurse got needle prick injury from a HIV positive patient while doing blood sampling. Which test would be the most appropriate test to rule out the infection is P24 assay. Next one, a patient come for organ transplantation. He has a twin brother who is a match donor for him and which type of grafting it would be considered as isograft. A 80-year-old female suffered with heart disease and with cardiac atrophy. On history of examination, perinuclear brown color deposits were seen. What could be the pigment responsible for this lipofuscin? A child present to OPD with complaint of fatigue. On further examination, anemia and hepatosplenomegaly are seen. His peripheral blood smear is shown in the given image. What is the diagnosis? Is the thalassemia major. Next one, the image below show origin from which of the following cell? This is the beta cell. Next one, identify the image and diagnose accordingly. So this is the myelofibrosis. Owl eye inclusion body are seen in the CMV, cytomegalovirus. Next one, a 50-year-old man presented with gum bleeding, peripheral smear show marked leukocytosis with 70% cells showing MP positivity. What could be the diagnosis? Correct answer is AML, acute myeloid leukemia. Protein in Alzheimer's is the tau protein. A 5-year-old child of 70 kg weight with diarrhea and unable to take the feed. What is the amount of maintenance fluid required in 24 hours? Is the 1350 ml. Next one, a mother with the newborn is worried for her child as the newborn has passed meconium till 6 hours of birth. How much time should she wait for the meconium to pass out? Is 48 hours. A boy present with hemarthrosis of left knee after a history of fall. Deficiency of which factor can lead to the following condition? Factor 8th deficiency. A mother complained that her child has diarrhea with repetitive changing of the diaper, urine leaking, what considered constipated, and has abdominal pain. What could be the diagnosis?